without talking too much, let's get right on. You already know what this is, okay? So let's go ahead and make it.
Cooking is good looking. Expand your scope of cooking. From exterior basket chain, learn how to make all your meats. Cooking is good cooking is good looking. Expand your scope.
I've got my lettuce, iceberg lettuce, radish, cucumber. I've got cucumber, celery. I'll be making use of dates because I don't put sugar in my smoothie. I don't put sugar and I don't put honey. This is all I put in my smoothie, dates. And I've got strawberry, fresh strawberries, watermelon, boiled soy. You see that? Boiled soy. This is Chinese garbage and is very healthy and highly nutritious. Well, it tastes like garbage, so yeah, that. But go look it up. Normally, I don't put water in my smoothie because we are doing water smoothie. Not like water, but it's, you know, things that contains a lot of water. So I'll be adding the alkaline water. I will add half of that, and I'll be adding the ginger. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so in my blender, I'll go ahead and add in the ginger. The radish. Celery. Now I'm making use of dates. This is 8 dates. I took out the seed, so I'll be adding that. I do have the skin of the cucumber, which has been washed and cleaned, and I'll go ahead and add that as well. I'll go ahead and add the alkaline water to this. Not a lot, just half of it. Alright, so look at that, and I'll go ahead and blend this. After blending, I saved it so that way I can get the full liquid. And there goes the shaft. Can you see the liquid? Yes, so that is it. And I tossed in the shaft back into the blender, added more alkaline water, blend it again, and repeat the same process. Once that part is done, I put the shaft aside. I added the bok choy, the cucumber, the watermelon, and the rest of the ingredient. Blend all of it together. Just take a look at how beautiful that is. Just take a look at how beautiful that is. Pour that into a bowl and brought back the green juice, which was the first ingredient that I blended together, and I pour that in and give it a nice stir. Once this is mixed, I'll go ahead and just transfer it. This is just so beautiful and very delicious. Remember, we are making water juice, alright? All these fruits and veggies contains a lot of water, like 90% and above or 93% and above. You can go ahead and look it up. So once I'm done stirring that together, I sieved it again. Yes, remember, we want the water part, not the smoothie part. So I sieved it again, separated the liquid from the pulp. I separated the liquid from the pulps. So that is the pulp one, and that is the juice one. The juice one will be going inside this bottle, and the pulp one will be going into the mason jar. I do have this apple cider container. Whenever I buy any juice, I always keep the bottle for this occasion, sometimes for smoothie or for juice. So I just went ahead to pour in the water juice inside that one. Let me tell you the reason why I do this. My kids will not take anything that has pulp in it, but they will drink the water juice. All right, they will take the water juice. and it still has all of the benefit. So for this one, I just went ahead to pour it into a mason jar, one for me and one for my husband, and then I just pour it in and make sure that, you know, and I just make sure that we both have it equally. And as you can see, once that is poured in, I cover one up because that will be going into the refrigerator, and the other one I just took out the inner part, put in a straw, adding some ice. This is so refreshing. Honestly, you all need to try it out. Very refreshing. And I poured in some ice, and there we go. We have our smoothie on one part, and then we have the water juice on another part. So everyone enjoyed it. So you can try it out with your kiddos or your family together, or you can just do it for them. And you can have this water juice with any meal of your choice. You can even have it by itself. So there goes my water juice. That's all that I have for you all today. And this palm nut stew, you can check it out. That is my previous video before this one. So lovelies, how are you all doing? Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for being here. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.